Why won't my list populate? Index error, list out of range. Reading up on stacks, so I tried out this infix to postfix exercise, found here. You'll have to scroll a little bit to see their code. I tried to stay as true to their original implementation as possible. My code, this URL. I'm getting an error on line 18, where I define the peak variable. It says the list is out of range, but I shouldn't have called the list yet? Shouldn't it just be stored in the variable, and the actual error should occur later in the document when I use prec peak, on line 49? I'm sure this code is more foobar than I realize. Any help would be appreciated. Should I start over? Short version. Expected output.
Unfortunately, your operator_stack list is empty, therefore it returns an IndexError BTW. If you want to find the last element of a list, use and make sure to make it to none if it's empty. So use peak equals operator_stack -1, if operator_stack else none. Instead of peak equals operator_stack len operator_stack -1. Also, when debugging your code, it is clearly visible from the comments that these lines in line 49, while not operator_stack and prec peak, is greater than or equal to prec element, column. Line 59, while not operator_stack column, should actually look like line 49, while operator_stack and prec peak, is greater than or equal to prec element, column. Line 59, while operator_stack column. Finally, add a if statement to check if peak is none. A short version would be If you doubt what while operator_stack column means, see this simple example.
If you want to see more, please